know what's funny about cookies? They're simple, they're comforting, and yet somehow they've become the centerpiece of $1 billion empire. Let me tell you about Crumbl Cookies, the little cookie company that's not so little anymore. It's a story about two cousins, a sprinkle of tech, a dollop of marketing genius, and a whole lot of dough. It's 2017. Jason McGowan, a tech guy with a knack for building things, teams up with his cousin Sawyer Hensley, a creative mastermind. They weren't bakers, they weren't chefs, but they had one wild idea. What if we could build a business around cookies? Late nights, flour covered countertops, and yes, they even tested their recipes at gas stations. Their big break? A tiny rundown building in Logan, Utah, rented for $800 a month. No fancy equipment, no investors, just a $68,000 personal investment and a dream. The result? A cookie company that redefined what a sweet treat could be. So what's Crumbl's secret sauce? Well, besides their perfectly gooey chocolate chip cookie, it's their ability to create buzz. Weekly rotating menus? Genius. A signature ping box that screams Instagram worthy? Iconic. But most importantly, they made scarcity work for them. You can only get this flavor for 1 week, they told their customers. And guess what? The customers couldn't get enough. This is where Jason's tech background shines. Crumbl launched its own app in 2018, letting customers rate cookies, snap photos, and share their experiences. And on TikTok, the hashtag Crumbl review went viral, amassing millions of views. Social media didn't just amplify their brand, it made them a household name. This is where the channel sponsor Xena intelligence comes in. Much like Crumbl uses data and feedback to perfect its recipes, Xena helps e-commerce brands optimize their strategies. From ad campaigns to product listings to e-commerce data, we help you grow smarter and faster. Crumbl didn't just sell cookies, they sold experiences. Every week was a new adventure. What's the flavor of this week? What's trending on TikTok? Their customers became their marketers, sharing reviews, stories, and yes, those pink boxes. When was the last time a cookie gave you FOMO? That's the magic Crumbl tapped into. Behind every billion-dollar success story is a mountain of challenges. Jason and Sawyer face criticism, overwhelming demand, and the pressure of rapid growth. But here's the takeaway. They didn't let obstacles define them. Instead, they innovated, they listened, and they pivoted. Whether it's launching franchises or expanding internationally, they mastered the art of scaling without losing what makes them unique. Crumbl isn't just about cookies. It's about connection, about creating moments that matter. And the story? It's proof you don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. And what's your billion-dollar cookie idea? Share it in the comments and tag someone who needs to hear the story. And don't forget to grab a cookie on your way out.